welcome back to our channel, especially to those who know us. Yeah, it's been long, yeah? It's been very long. But we are back all together. Right, we have had a lot of challenges here and there. Nanjole was la emhlabeni kunjani. Kumagini igonqo batsho njalo into zilapha. Saplana lokho kuvukela. Kyana kusaplana kana uvelo kyana. Kodwa ke isifiso sethu sokuthi sishare impilo lani still there. And siyabonga kakhulu and lekho science sisters sithi futhi subscribe and like so that at least you be up to date. Nathi sizazo siphike indaba ye consistency. Namhlanje kodwa ke ngithe njani sisazozifunda izincwadi sizabuyela encwadini yethu leya siqhubeka ngayo. Sike sazuza a friend who is in the USA ohlala esibukela kakhulu uthi kwangisiya emsebenzini ngangifika ngivule so faka ama headphones nxa sengifree ngilalele. So guys, why are you not? Sathi ke siyabonga encouragement. We'll be back. And we'll be back. Kodwa namhlanje bezihlobo zami ngithe ngibona ngacima ukuthi yes, at times it's a waste of time. Xa siya discuss izinto ezimnandi, izinto ezinkulu, sikhohle ukudiscussa izinto eziphethe to life. Izinto eziphethe to life, like what I've been feeling in my heart. Ngile ndaba enkulu I've been feeling in my heart. I wish I could share with you. I wish I could share with you. Indaba le ngithe ngifunda indaba yase Sodom and Gomorrah. Ngicabanga le ndaba futhi yezinsuku zika Noah. I thought, no man, there is a lot esimele sikushare nabantu. uNkulunkulu ngithe ngithi ngitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzawushaya futhi umhlaba. Washaya insuku zika Noah ngezulu. Washaya iSodom and Gomorrah, and God is going to do it again. Izwi likaNkulunkulu liyatsho kuGenesis chapter 18 kusukela kubo 18 athi khona the sins of Sodom and Gomorrah became an outcry and it reached his seat in heaven. And when it reached his seat in heaven, God repented. God regretted creating man. What about uNkulunkulu uthi umuntu ngizayishaya iGomorrah ngibhubhise. He was not aiming at the people, but he was aiming at the cause of sin that went Gomorrah. Ithi lona ku ngezikhathi zika Noah iphinde futhi khona lapha kuGenesis ithi people ithi isono saba sikhulu kakhulu. And did you know Noah was given a time to preach for 120 years, and in 120 years people continued laughing at him, making fun of him. uNkulunkulu did all he could because he's a just God. What he did, he allowed people to continue he gave them an opportunity to repent. Noah preached for 120 years and no one turned to Christ. Ngikhuluma kubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba I've met a lot of things. If I had time, I would share a lot of testimonies. This Jesus Christ is alive. Ngifuna abangani bami nxa noma sifunda izincwadi sazini ukuthi madoda sike sashare sathi lo uJesu uyaphila. Lithi lona kuHebrews, he is the same yesterday, today and forever. I reality is so real. Ngoba uNkulunkulu nxa sibaleka ezwini lakhe. Ulaka lukaNkulunkulu luphezulu komhlaba. Lani liyazibona izinto around us. Things are happening. And a lot of things are happening. Sin is growing. Yes, where sin grows, the Bible ithi grace abounds more. Yikho singashaywa kanje. Yikho ngaze sibhidlizwe. uNkulunkulu has been giving us grace. Abantu kade siyasibona izono ezenzakala. Ziningi izinto. Abantu bayathwala. Ziningi izinto. Igazi liyachitheka. Ziningi izinto. Abantu babona izinto ezingaze zibonwe ngamehlo aphilayo. Izinto zonke sezikani ziyaqondana ziyadibana kanje. Umhlaba suhamba lo. Kodwa ukuthi umhlaba uyahamba is not an issue. Okwami ukuthi eyakho impilo yabiphi. Uyazi ngizayisungi ngifuna ukubha nje amavesi amabili Nasi la to Genesis chapter 19. Now before they lay down, the men of the city, the men of Sodom, both old and young, all the people from every quarter surrounded the house. And they called to Lot and said to him, where are the men who came to you tonight? Bring them to us that we may know them carnally. There is not depravity beyond that. Angifuni ukuyapha ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi uyayizwa into engiyakiyo. These were the levels of sin in Sodom and Gomorrah. Ithi futhi, and for we will destroy this place, because the outcry against them has grown great before the face of the Lord, and the Lord has sent us to destroy it. These were angels from heaven that visited Lord. Athi outcry le lezono lezo sengidlulekizwe lezi. What is zifikile ezulwini? uNkulunkulu zimtshila inhliziyo zamlimaza. Asekele zabanye, khangele zakho. Sekele zabanye zikhangele zakho, ngikhangele zami. Bazalwane bafowethu kumele sitshintshe. Bafowethu kumele sitshintshe. Kulezinye izinto ezinganormal empilweni, kumele sitshintshe. Lithi iBhayibheli futhi lapha phambili lithi, then the Lord rained brimstone and fire on Sodom and Gomorrah from the Lord out of the heavens. uNkulunkulu ngenxa yesono washaya iGomora. Sakhula sicula ingoma sithi yasha iGomora leSodoma leGomora yeSodom yasha iGomora yasha iGomora. It's not stories from the Bible. It's not like just stories. It's a reality. Scientists have even proven that the areas where Sodom and Gomorrah were, now ukhangela topography, ukhangela namatshe, ukhangela, you will find there were signs of some kind of a nuclear bombing. Wow, umlilo vele ezulwini. Izono lezi sesilazo. Umhlaba losuphetha lo. Ngithi think about yourself. Namhlanje uma uNkulunkulu washaya iGomora, angaphinda kushayela, ashayela lathi. Khumbuleke bazalwane. Ngithi uJesu lo ngifuna angisoze ngithi kwamanje ngithi if nxa uthi uyakholwa leli lizwi kumele wenze engakutshela ukuthi usuwedwa. Zicabangisise, ungaqeda vuma izono zakho kuNkulunkulu. Ungabe ungaziboni wena izono ukhona wakathi kimi kanti manje nxa mina ngingakaze ngone ngikwazi ngone okungakhonza uNkulunkulu, okungamthathi serious uNkulunkulu, ukudibanisa uNkulunkulu lezinye izinto isono senasiya. Ukudibanisa uNkulunkulu nokunye, udibanisa uNkulunkulu wathi na I am a jealous God, but umuntu uyadibanisa, adibanisa lokho, adibanisa lokho. Zibuze, ucele, sondele kuNkulunkulu, ucele insindiso, ucele ukuxolela izono zakho, uNkulunkulu uzokusiza. Romans 10:9 uthi, if you believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus Christ is Lord, you will be saved. Ngiyabonga namhlanje. Ngiyazi mhlawumbe into ekade lingayilindele umnyathi angisoze futhi ngiphinde ngisubscribe lapha ngoba ukhulunywa izinto hayibo usona isinto esisisebenzayo asiphikisani lo uNkulunkulu ekukhumbuleke as long as singadibanisa spiritual matters, spiritual issues. Ngithe lokho ngeke ngiqhubeke balincwane izihlobo zami olenza idlebe uzwile so sizifunde izincwadi lezi kodwa sibe lesikhathi sokukhumbuzana ngoba impilo leyazi ukuthi yapi impilo le awazi ukuthi kusasa uvukuphi wena asisalindele ukuthi sesilinde ukuthi ukuthi uJesu sizambone vele emafini uJesu lapha sesabuthi angathifika isikole hayi angafika ungekho wena ufile impilo le uyazi le ngoba kukabili angathifika manje angavuleke emafini angifiki kube nguzo sala kumbe number 2 kwenyesaba kakhulu equmgwaqo utshaya imoto uyathi ukusasa abantu abavuke abanye phela bavuka ngekuseni namhlanje wena uvukile yikho kuqhakathekile let us change our lives isikhathi sisekhona siphi isikhathi? 1 isikhathi sokuthi engakezi. 2 isikhathi ongakafi wena ngoba kusasa kwazi uyavuphi. Mhlawumbe lelizwi ndikhuluma nje ngikhulume na wena. Siyamdinga uNkulunkulu as individuals. Lapha kangikhulumi le group yabantu, ngikhuluma le individuals, ngikhuluma le family yakho. Ngikhuluma lawe qobo lwakho. Mhlawumbe uzobe lenhlanhla abantwana besesebancane, ngikhuluma lawe. Mhlawumbe abantwana bana basasele isikhathi bangophila. Onungava ukuthuli kusasa. Kumbe vele kusesikhulile phakathi. Kodwa iqiniso ukuthi asimtholene esatholakala. Asingenene kusangeneka. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Hambe ecabangisisa. Uthi usuwedwa ukuqe phansi ukhulume la. Khuluma la ngani ukhuluma nomuntu. Khona wathi ngifundiswa wathi xa uthandaza ngisaqala ukuthi kungazi uKristu. Wathi thatha isitulo nxa ukuthi kuyakuhlupha. Thatha isitulo sibeke la uguqe phambi kwaso. Umagine yena ehlele esitulweni. Khulume la. Kungempilo yakho is matters of life and death. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Subscribe.